This is Paul from Clyke, a part of the driving change group. We've got here a bicycle with an automatic gear, which is quite unusual. First time I'd ever heard of an automatic gear. The bike, was better say the price straight up, so it's over €3,000, which is a fair bit for a bike. But anyway, Paul, what else can you say about it?
Yeah, it's a very high-end bike. That's why we have this price. It's designed in the Netherlands, manufactured in the Netherlands by us. We have an integrated battery, as you can see, a mid-drive motor, and especially what's interesting is the automatic gear system. Well, you should test drive it to experience it, but it's very unique. We have hydraulic brakes on it, because with a bike that goes 25 kilometers per hour, of course we want to make sure that people are safe. We have the lighting system is connected to a dynamo hub in the front wheel, so even in case you run out of battery, the light will still always work. So we're very high on safety on this bike.
And there are accessories for the rear.
Yeah, we designed the frame in a way that you can click accessories on multiple parts of the frame, so on the rear but also on the front. For the rear we have a nice luggage carrier, which, well, right now it's not on the bike, but you can see on our website. You can put a crate of beer on it, hang some bags on it, and all kind of stuff. For the middle part we have a lock carrier where you can put your chain lock, because of course a bike with this price you want to lock it very well and maybe hang it, well, the chain on a tree or something. And for the front we have a huge wind and rain screen, so if you want to travel to your work or travel to school, at least you will stay dry and out of the wind.
Yeah, and I saw it last year here at Dusseldorf. Yeah, it does look a bit unusual, but yes, I can understand in the Netherlands or Northern Europe anyway, that would be useful.
yeah, it's very unique, of course, with the red tail, very recognizable. Well, you can click all kind of accessories on it, so you can personalize it. It's a compact bike, of course, also, because, well, originally we're from the RV market, and so we wanted to make it compact, and because it's electric, well, it's not necessary to be big for comfort anymore. So it's very comfortable and compact. I can show you how to make it a little bit more compact. You can fold the pedals in, so it becomes more narrow.
Yeah, that's very useful in a motorhome. You put it in the garage. Yeah, sure.
Exactly.
That's great.
And you can fold the stem.
So yeah, they're the two things which cause the most problems.
Yeah,
exactly. Yeah.
So we implemented that. You can take out the seat if you want, or it's easy adjustable in height. We have a very nice, unique spring system, which doesn't just work in a straight direction, but it goes to the back actually, so it's much more comfortable when you're riding over bumps or stuff like that.
Oh, great. So, shall I take it out for a spin?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, here goes. Okay. So it's very unusual to be on an automatic bicycle. You expect to change the gear somewhere, but you can feel it actually changes. As you do with an automatic car, you can feel the difference. In a certain way, you can actually hear the difference as well. Maybe it's less extent than you do in a car. But as an experience, I've never heard of an automatic bicycle until I was told about it 2 days ago. So it's very curious. I think for certain types of people, this would be a great advantage, certainly for older people above all. I mean, easily to get on the bike, and so that's the first thing. As far as motorhomes are concerned, it's very easy to store, as you showed. So that's something which I think is pretty positive. Okay, the weight may be a bit of a problem into the motorhome, but there are solutions for that. There's an electric motorhome just gone past now. That's fully electric. And so, but there are solutions to actually lift lift these things into the motorhome. So okay, right. So I'm still relatively fit, but it is a bit on the heavy side. So, but the solution is you can push it up. So there's plenty of those things on the market. So, thanks very much. Really nice to try.